here so that once we do the HAZOP, when you get the report, you understand what is the purpose of this blowdown. I am putting blowdown system design for plant maintenance / inspection activity and controlled by SOP, controlled by approved SOP. So Kumar sir, and I have a small query. If you do this kind of blowdown, so are you going to initiate permit to work system, or this is not controlled by permit to work system? Because this is a non-routine activity. So this should be controlled by permit to work system. You have to have LOTO system so that there is no possibility of opening the valve by human error due to the communication gap.
Not possible because of that is located in a confined space. This is strictly the access is denied. So it's all covered confined space PTW as well as spark potential PTW if you are going for any activities in that particular location. So LATO will be followed, PTW will be followed, confined space followed, and also we have in addition routine checks that will be followed. So all covered because of this is something.
Okay, so Kumar sir, you have LOTO system or you have LOTO? You have log out, tag out, and try out, or you have a log out and tag out?
Log out, tag out only.
You don't have TOTO? You don't have LOTO?
No.
Okay, LOTO system.
But, maybe I would suggest if we go back to the course, if we look at the course rather than kind of collecting things all lumped up. I don't know whether you already populated some of the potential causes of.
Yes, sir, Mr. Your voice is very low. Sir, your voice is very low.
Do you hear me now? You hear me now?
Can you repeat?
Yeah.
Okay. My suggestion is that we take one course, we go all through, and then we take the next course, because at the moment, to me, I have the impression that it's too much talk, and we're not really making progress across the course consequence straight line. So if we take one course, if you take for the case of any valve, you could put an example of a valve, but say any valve, and then we just follow that. And then if there are any safeguards, we take that and credit them as we go across the consequence straight line.
Sure, sir, Mr. Sure. Yeah. Okay. So my purpose of writing this one is only for remark. So now let us come back on the course. We are saying any manual valve in the blowdown line remains closed due to human error while blowdown is initiated.
Did we not suggest let's call this depressurization because it's maintenance depressurization?
Just maintenance depressurization. Okay.
It's that's the
initiated for maintenance